Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you pay with Revolut on Samsung. So open up our Samsung site and then add any product to your cart that you wish to purchase. So for example, let me choose choose an item and then I'll just continue with it. So that all right. So this is fine. So I'm going to go get to my checkout. So what are you going to do? So I'm going to click on checkout. So you're gonna type in your details, delivery, and all those information like how you normally do. So just get that all those thing done. So once you're done filling up your details, hit on checkout. All right, so now when you get to the payment methods here, your payment options here, so you'll see all the options here. So what are you going to do if you want to pay with Revolut? We're going to simply click on credit card. And then what we're going to do now, since Samsung accepts Visa cards, like what we're going to do, we're going to provide the card details of our Revolut card. So you can use your physical or the virtual card. So just type in the the card details of your Revolut card. Since most of the Revolut cards are Visa cards, so you should be able to process the payment using your Revolut card. So type in your card details and then hit on place order. That's it. You can make the payment through Revolut. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.